Ang ating gospel, may sinabing parable ang ating Panginoon. You look at the trees, kahit anong puno, kapag ka nakita na natin na malapit ng bumulaklak ang puno, we know that there is something good that is going to happen. Magkakaroon ng bunga. Diba? And at the end, sinabi pa rin niya, this generation will pass away, but my words will never pass away. Kadalasan kasi kapag mga sinyalis ang ating pinag-uusapan, agad ang nagigrip sa ating buong pagkatao ay takot. Lalong-lalo na when we are saying, the kingdom of God is near. So ano nga ba? Saan nga ba tayo lulugar? O ano bang ating iisipin? Are we going to be more hopeful? Are we going to be more loving? Are we going to be more forgiving? Are we going to be more understanding? And I think today's gospel in the parable of Jesus, it is giving us hope. No matter what is happening around us or in the world. So it is not supposed to be fear na mangingibabaw sa ating buhay o sa ating kalooban, kundi yung pag-asa. Kapag nakikita natin ang mga sinyales sa kalikasan, it gives us hope. There is something new coming. And ultimately, yung sinabi ng Panginoon, matatapos talaga ang mundong ito. Huwag tayong matakot. Because my words will never pass away. In other words, kasama pa rin natin ang Panginoon until the end of time.